If you're not making a decision, still you're making a decision. Now, what do I mean by this? I speak with many people and they are really willing to quit their job, do something what they love, and build a business around it. And they seem very, committed when we get on the call. But while we understand each other and what they are actually looking for, and when we go deep, they are afraid to make some investment in the mentorship or maybe their self-development. Now, first thing which I believe, investing in self-development or mentorship is not that you are investing in somebody else. You are investing that money into yourself so that you become more valuable. And that way you can earn more money and you can quit your job and all. Second thing, when you don't want to invest some money, remember, by not investing that money, you are making a decision. And that decision will lead to another decision, that is to continue with the same job even if you don't like. Now it's up to you what kind of decision you want to make. Do you want to make a decision which can benefit you and your family in long term, or you want to make a decision from the place of fear that you don't want to lose your money? It's up to you. I made a choice to invest in myself because I know what I can do with my life. Question is to you. Are you really serious? And are you really a true decision maker for your life? If yes, let me know in comment section below. And if you have any other question, do let me know and I'll be more than happy to help you. One more thing, I have got a Facebook group called We Are Successful Chartered Accountants. So if you are an ambitious chartered accountant or a CA student, I would like to invite you to that group so that we can build a community of all like-minded, ambitious and successful chartered accountants. I look forward to see you there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.